Hi again! We have more questions about our 21-day challenge. Can you do the 21-day challenge single, or do you need a partner or a lover?
You need to be married for at least 5 years.
But definitely yes to all of it. You can be single, you can have a partner. My partner is here. We've been together for the last 6 years. And before that, when I started Tantra, I was single for quite a long time.
I also started the challenge single. So obviously, you're not always going to meet tantric people or tantric sex practitioners when you're out and about or you're meeting new people. So before you have sex with a new person, you kind of need to have the talk. A little bit of guidance, a little bit of instructions.
I noticed that if you explain to people that you might be attracted to, that you are doing a tantric practice, you're trying to learn, it opens up possibilities. People are all of a sudden interested and they might want to try it with you. If you say like, hey, listen, I'm trying out this new thing, it's Tantra, you know, I would love to do it together with someone. You know, we want to try and, you know, do some exercise together. Or maybe do the 21-day challenge together.
And it's also to try something different, right? I mean, they're constantly having sex with people coming. I mean, this is also a new thing for them to try out. So, of course, I would have been interested if somebody came to me and said, hey, I don't do this and don't do that. I'm like, okay, sure, I would like to try this. I don't know what it is, but so it makes people interested.
When I meet someone and you know you're working out and you're gonna have sex together, I would always say like, hey, I just have a quick few rules. Because I practice Tantra. My rules are, 1, protected sex always. Yes. So always with a condom. Also oral sex. You know, I would never suck a guy without a condom if I don't know him, if we're not tested for sexually transmitted infections. And if they say no to that, that's a real red flag. You know, then you know, then you don't even have to continue. But then rule number 2 was, and then I don't come. And also I'm gonna ask that of you as well. So if I'm with a woman, so I'm gonna tell her, don't touch my clit, and please, I also would like to not give you any clitoral orgasms. And for the guys, no ejaculations, and don't touch my clit. And then I would give a few benefits and what they can get out of it. So like, you know, you can go on for so much longer, I can have way deeper orgasms. Are you cool with that?
Yeah, that's simple.
Yeah, and
you would be stupid to say no to that.
Yeah.
Well, some people do say no.
Some people say no.
But sometimes also with guys, they might go like, when you give them the little tantric rules, they might go like, yeah, but I'm not sure I'll be able to make it. You know, maybe I'll have an accident, and then I'll be like, well, listen, if you're not gonna commit, then I think we should abstain. Then often they go like, okay, no, I'll try, and then just tell them like, we work together. You know, let's stay at like 80% maximum horniness. And we tell each other if it gets too hot, and then we just slow back down.
Yeah.
So you work together all the time.
Yeah. Communication is really important with everybody.
Most objections disappear the moment the fun starts. So
yeah.
Yes. How does it work with women for you?
It's a little bit simpler. I take charge, and then I don't have to negotiate everything. I just lead, and then I show by example.
Yeah. But do you also tell them about the not coming and the
Yes, of course. And the most important thing in that is I tell them to help me not to come. It's easy not to make a woman come, but it's kind of hard not to make a guy come, especially if you're used to, you know, squeezing extra hard with your vagina to, you know, get him off, or, you know, going really fast. So I tell them, please, on my signal, stop.
Yeah. And
don't breathe, just stop moving. I'll just say stop, or don't move. They'll do that, and then they'll help me not to come. So that's what I explain.
Right, and then she has to go like, hold her breath, and just like,
stop everything.
Don't move, fucking muscle. That's
Yeah.
And it works. In general, women are pretty good at that. They get quite happy from the new tantric experience. So.
Yeah, for sure.
So to get back to the initial question, can you do the 21-day challenge all by yourself, or tantric practice for that matter? I would say yes.
Yeah.
It's more fun with more people.
Yeah.
More people, more fun.
Yeah.
But it's definitely possible.
I also advise to, if you have not had any tantric experience with anyone, I would totally recommend to either do some workshops, or have a session with someone, or, you know, meet people that are into the same things, because it does make it easier for you to go into this path and not the non-cumming. It just makes it easier, you know. It just makes it much more relaxed and and people are on the same page as you are. So I totally recommend that too. But of course, you can go whatever way you want to, whatever feels right for you. So.
And if you check out any of our material, whether it's online courses or private sessions or whatever, we always recommend that you try the 21-day challenge before you do anything. It's free, and it's such a simple way to get so much more pleasure in your sexuality.
I hope we answered your question.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Ciao, ciao.